we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're comparing the Breville Barista Pro and the Jura Z6 espresso machines, right?
Yep, let's dive in. The Breville is semi-automatic while the Jura is fully automatic. Big difference for starters.
Definitely. The Breville, being semi-automatic, gives you more control. It has an integrated grinder with dose control, and you manually texture the milk. And the Jura?
Jura's all about convenience. It does everything for you with one touch. Grinding, tamping, brewing, milk frothing, all automated. They call it the pulse extraction process, supposedly for the perfect espresso.
Control versus convenience. What about heating time? I know I'm impatient in the mornings.
Breville boasts a 3-second heat-up time with its thermojet system. Pretty impressive. The Jura doesn't specify the exact time, but fully automatics are known for quick turnaround.
Nice! Now, size-wise, I don't have a huge kitchen counter.
The Breville is 13.5 dx 13.9 wx 16 inches h, while the Jura is slightly bigger at 17.7x 12.6x 14.8 inches. The Jura is heavier too, at 26 pounds, compared to Breville's 19.5 pounds.
Okay, so Breville wins on the size front. What about the water tank and bean hopper?
Breville has a 67-ounce water tank and a half-pound bean hopper. I didn't see specifics for the Jura, but they usually have decent-sized reservoirs.
And cleaning. That's a big factor for me.
The Jura has automatic cleaning programs, which is a huge plus for convenience. The Breville, being semi-automatic, requires more hands-on cleaning, but I hear it's not too bad.
Okay, interesting. And the price? I have a budget to consider.
The Breville Barista Pro is around $680, while the Jura Z6, when its asterisk actually Sundra's available, because it's currently out of stock, is significantly more expensive. We're talking potentially double or more the price of the Breville.
Whoa, big price jump. So basically, the Breville is a more affordable, hands-on machine, and the Jura is a super convenient premium option. Sounds about right. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.